That and then going into nature more is an awesome reset. Like think about how little you are in nature. Like just go up to the mountains and like walk around for a while. Like it feels different.
I don't feel like that when I'm walking in the morning.
No, like I
when I get up at 4:30 or 4:45 and I
so
walk
like
at 5, I feel that way.
I want away from the asphalt. I want away from Wi-Fi. Like I want away from everything.
Okay.
And like, okay, it's a reset. Like I'm up there. Now I come back down. For me, it's an amazing reset. But like if I had a house up there, again, it's another good way.
Like go to a cabin or something.
Yeah, like go up to a cabin or you just live up there. Like Alan had his 50-acre whatever on like
true disconnect.
Yeah, like a true disconnect. For me, it's just the environment that I'm placing myself in every day, and like how does it make me feel? Like the reason we don't park out back anymore, there's too many goddamn homeless people.
Yeah. And then they want to talk to me when I'm coming in. I'm like, bro, I don't want to talk. I'm in a rush. You know, right, like, I don't like being an asshole. So then I'm like, fuck, I'm just not gonna park back there because I don't want to be put in a situation where I got to be like, oh, like I gotta go. You know,
that's
what I mean?
What I was talking to Jake about earlier. I mean, the lady was like, "Who's this guy who's parked back here, like this car? He brings in a bunch of different little girls all the time."
Oh, I was like, that's strike two, bro. You keep saying suspect shit,
right? Yeah, and she said that about Chris. And he was like, well, those are his daughters. She's like, good. I didn't want anything illegal happening on my property.
Bro, her property, bro. She sleeps right there.
Bro, like she owns it. But like then I don't
it's cool. Like it she's cool.
When she's not on one.
Yeah.
I do not want to have to think about homeless people when I'm pulling up anywhere.
Yeah.
Because like for me, like there's still an uncontrollable variable. You don't know what's happening to them that day.
And I don't like it in general. And it's
their energy.
It upsets you, bro. It upsets you because they just be there. Like, bro, like, what are you doing? Like you just, no one can tell you anything.
No, like, so this morning, bro, because I forgot, I was like, okay, I'm going to pull in up front. And I pulled up front and there was no parking spot. So I came to the back and there was a homeless dude laying in the middle of our parking lot. And there was a homeless lady. I was like, bro, I ain't doing this.
Yeah. Sometimes you just turn around and go back home.
But I mean, for me, it's again like we talked about, like the energy that they put off, and like one person commented on my comments when I talked about that, like, oh yeah, it is so bad that poverty like repulses you. Like, yeah, I guess it does.
Isn't that poverty?
And it's not even.
It's bad that it's trespassing. It's bad that I can't go somewhere that you pay for. You know what I mean, and not be able to control that. Or you should be able to because you pay for it. You pay
or
for
my fucking kid.
Stuff. Yeah.
Or like if I want to feel comfortable, like bringing my kid here.
100%, because you don't know what the hell they're doing.
You don't know what variables are.
100%.
All right, so like that. So
it's not that poverty fucking that it. What did he say? Poverty what?
He was like, I'm so sorry poverty repulses you. And I was like, I mean, yeah. I'll say
even talking about poverty. We're talking about just trespassing, basically.
Pretty much.
like it has nothing to do with the homeless. Like she go do this shit on the street, I wouldn't be tripping. Yeah. But she's like on my walkway to the front door, laying there with all of her stuff next to her and asking me if I seen someone walking away with like whatever it may be. Like it's the thought that I can't have a package delivered to my office because I'm afraid if they leave it at the door, it's gonna be fucking stolen.
Oh, but nothing.
So you see what I'm saying? Yeah. Like that's what upsets me, and so. And I know that can happen anywhere in a sense, but like it's a guarantee here.
Oh, bro, it's a guarantee.
You know what I mean? Like, at least at your house, you're like, oh, okay, like it's a chance. Like you see it get there, you can kind of go. Got neighbors kind of look out for you here, bro. Like they just come, just take your shit, and you see them wearing it down the street.
Yeah.
But then I'm an ass if I go beat their ass with
it. Did you hear the other story I was telling Jake? So me and Kyle had a meeting this morning, and this motherfucker is like in like athletic wear, right? And he has 2 dumbbells, like 5-pound dumbbells, and he's walking. And the dude's a homeless dude who found 2 dumbbells, and he's just tripping. Like, turning around, screaming at nobody. Fuck you. You don't know me. And he's, like, still going.
With 2 rogue dumbbells.
With 2 fucking dumbbells. And then Kyle's like, oh, my God, bro. Please do not hit my truck.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I mean, first world problems, I guess.
Whatever.
I guess, bro. Man, fuck them homeless people, bro.